Welcome to ECT2's new state-of-the-art Research and Development Center in Fuquay Varina. Our dedicated research and development team has a mission to pursue and uncover the world's most efficient and effective emergency contaminant treatment technologies. Our focus centers on waste concentration and minimization, cost-effectiveness, short and long-chain PFAS removal, and the permanent eradication of challenging compounds. We specialize in regenerable ion exchange treatment, foam fractionation, and the application of PFAS destruction. ECT2's proprietary SORBIX RePURE regenerable ion exchange resin solution is the most sustainable PFAS treatment technology on the market today.